We're asking people to act like birds for a chance to win a free Save the Duck jacket.
Judy, act like a bird.
Act like a bird.
Any bird you like. The best impression is gonna win a free jacket.
Okay.
Here we go. Bok, bok, bok. Finn, can you live up to that? 3, 2, 1. Squawk. That was cool. That was a cool bird. Awesome, you guys. I hear an owl.
Quack, 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 quack.
That was epic. What was that?
Crow?
Okay, ready?
Quack, 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 quack.
That was my monkey.
Perfect. Can anybody act like a bird? I feel like you could do a really good one.
Yes, I can do an owl. I am an owl. I am a silly owl.
Good job. Hell yeah. Woo! What bird was that?
A cuckoo bird.
And they're twins. May the best bird win. Vote below.
I want the jacket.